currently 9, charot, hindi 9. 8:37 and we're going to an event again today. I'm supporting a friend of mine and it's gonna be a different kind of event. It's a social gathering na bawal ka mag-cellphone. So you're just gonna meet new people, talk to new people, and hang there. Like, I brought a book kasi 3 hours yon. You can bring whatever hobby you have. Search nyo lang sila sa Instagram. They're called Grounded Gatherings. And I'll put their link below. Tapos, ayun, you're just gonna chill there and stay present with all the people there. And after that, Izzy and I are gonna be eating lunch at 5678 or 5678. Di ko lang paano basahin. In Makati din. We're just gonna follow the day. We're currently in Shell S-Lex kasi nag-restroom si Daddy. I am a bit sleepy today cause kahapon sinundo namin si Mommy sa airport and nag-food trip kami.
Tomato.
And some gabi. Ay, ulo ba yan?
Grabe. Wow. Wow, ang dami kong noodle. Oh my god, I'm wearing white. Let's first try the noodles.
Ang init ha? Hindi nawawala yung init.
Lasang sinigang na kamatis na may seafood. So, seafood sinigang. Shrimp sinigang. I love it.
Gusto ko lang yung noodle ko.
Balik tayo. Babalik tayo. It's good. It's good.
Girl, wipe your screen. Like, wipe your camera.
Squid. Shrimp. Gulay. 2 types of noodles. Squid. Ano pa? Saan pa yung mga kinuha ko? I think this is, I don't know what this is. CBH. Seaweed. Here's seaweed. Sana yung mga ano ko? More squid. Ang sarap niya. Ay. Uy, sarap ng one soy. Oh my god, it's one soy.
Yan, doon yung one soy nakalapay.
Yeah, I got a lot.
Sarap. Sarap yun ah.
Yeah.
Sinabi ng
Sarap.
description.
Ito, sinigang. May sipon na.
Hindi pa nga mahanghang siya. Ito po na kain.
Sarap.
You're gonna like the lotus girl.
What thing you're talking about? What is a lotus?
Trying lotus soup for the first time. Nasang soup mo eh. Good. How to eat the shrimp? Sure? Thank you.
Di ba? Hindi pa kinain.
Kailangan na magtali. Kasi, pawis na ako. Maanghang, mainit, ang sarap. Airport. Video namin.
Ay, bakit nakaganit? Big. It's like a show.
Sobrang sarap. So good but so messy. But it's worth it. Hello. Research natin. Sarap.
Dito nakaka-before. Bilis na yan. Palili kuya. Hindi ka mukha. Ito lang favorite kong alam sa kanas. Anong tawag sa chicken nila? Oh, may tawag sa chicken nila. Hindi ano. Marami rin naman. Marami rin naman pineapple.
This is your favorite?
Eh?
Needs hot sauce.
Yeah. Meron ko talagang hot sauce. Pero masarap na. Simple lang pero
Gusto ko ito. So sweet.
ano, ganito lang ang pizza. Pintas lang wala.
Soy marinated mushrooms. Really good. I like this. Clam soup. Clam soup. This is not maalat.
Aba, dapat lang. Delikado.
But it also does not taste like clam. Di ba ang clam soup seafood supposedly?
Girl, I don't know.
This does
I
not
just
taste like clam. It's good. It's miso soup. Kahapon, we went to 60.
Video mo.
Siyempre, it's like playing with food. Mayo wasabi. Ooh, spicy. Spicy mayo. They're all spicy. And this is spicy din pala.
Yung roll mo spicy. Guys, yung akin yung roll.
Ano to? Wala. Spicy din.
Chili powder.
Mayo.
Ang refreshing na itong matanggal siya na.
Good.
So,
You have coffee, non-sesame, green tea, so
diba?
light and refreshing. Onion. Tapos, how do you eat this?
I think you just eat it. Bite it.
Bite it?
No, I guess.
Sarap na to.
No idea.
This is so good. May citrus siya. I'm not sure what citrus. What citrus it is.
Girl,
A very
Kasi ito siya.
refreshing taste.
Akala ko honey.
Baka may honey din.
I don't know.
This one is just a basic mayo, Japanese mayo dressing. Baka ito yung hahawakan mo. Pauso. Tapos ganyan.
Maybe.
That's one laki. Like,
I don't know pang ilan na to. Basta kapag nadating ko na yung octopus last na yun.
Pacific Blueberry Curry.
thank you.
Yan yung nagustuhan ko.
Let's do soy sauce.
Yeah, let's do
Ito pinakamasarap.
yan nga.
Wild shrimp tempura.
Wow!
Ano ba siya nito, kuya?
Yes, po.
Okay.
Kompleto yata ako ng layer, except yung udon. Ang bango, gosh.
Yun yung favorite ko. Sarap niya. Hindi pantay yung pagkarolo ko.
This is quite salty na. Yeah, okay siya. It is saltier than the other ones.
The fish mismo is maalat.
Fresh naman sila lahat. Mahilig sila maglagay ng furikake. Furikake is the stuff you see on top of rice. Small bits of
Fried.
brown.
Yung fried thing.
Mga, iba-iba siya eh, ganyan. Parang may sesame, may maliliit na nori, ganyan.
May joke.
Oh no. With soy sauce.
Ow!
Kept ng toyo. Although this is too salty already. No need for toyo. Masyado maalat for me. Maalat yung fish. I guess for normal people, it's good. For me, it's too salty. Ano ulit ang tempura?
Sarap to.
Sweet. Very sweet. Tempura sauce. Sweet and salty. Too salty. For me, sweet. Both. Overwhelming. Then I order dito. Pang night course. Sabay mo na lang. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I love carpaccio.
Like, yung kinain natin.
Yes. That was tuna carpaccio yata. Octopus carpaccio? Citrus yung ginamit nila. They like citrus.
Itlog pa to.
At ba?
It has to be. Oh, finally, I got something
Egg
right.
yolk. Peanuts. What else? Ano yung itim?
Oh, no. Mushroom?
Baka. Looks like it. Not sure lang sa texture. Parang hindi mushroom ang texture.
Parang olive. Namumula lang ako.
I never tasted olive pa eh, so I
Ay,
don't
it
know.
is olive. Uy, tama ako.
Did not expect citrus yung gamit nila. Hindi soup.
Masarap pa.
It's different. Yay! Carrots, tofu, sesame, seaweed. Wanna try it?
salty.
Hindi ka naman miso soup kanina.
And he took my food. It's cold. It's cold?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gulat.
I know, I'm like, it looks... It doesn't look...
Nipan ko pa.
Oh my god. Walang food. Hinipan ko rin.